Imagine waking up to money being deposited into your account while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not as impossible as it sounds. Today, we're talking about real passive income streams that actually work, and by the end of this video, you'll walk away with practical ideas to start making money without having to trade all your time for it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Invest Insights, where we are on a mission to explore and help you with different ways to create sustainable income while maintaining freedom in daily life. In this video, we're going to break down 3 effective passive income streams, followed by a few quick ideas you can explore. So stay till the end. Passive income stream 1. Dividend investing. Let's start with one of the most classic passive income strategies, dividend investing. It's one of the most reliable passive income strategies out there. What is it? Dividend investing is where you buy shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, typically quarterly or annually. Let me tell you how exactly it works. So basically you invest in stable, dividend-paying companies, and in return, you get paid just for holding their stock. Think of it like getting paid to do absolutely nothing. Companies like Coca-Cola or Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Set up a brokerage account on platforms like Robinhood or Fidelity. Step 2. Research solid companies with a history of paying dividends consistently. Step 3. Start small. You don't need thousands to get started. The beauty of dividend income is that once you invest, your money is working for you. Dividends can be reinvested or used for living expenses, and the best part? It's relatively hands-off. Although it's not instant satisfaction. Building a sizable dividend income takes time and patience. You need to consistently reinvest and hold on to stocks even during market downturns. Warren Buffett has a famous quote that goes, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." That's the essence of dividend investing. Imagine getting paid while you sleep because you made smart investments in stable companies. It's one of the easiest ways to make your money work for you, and over time, those dividend payments can grow into a sizable income stream. You're building something that can pay you back for years, even decades. Passive income stream 2. Real estate rental properties. Next up is real estate rental properties. Rental property owners will love this one. Real estate can be a solid passive income source if you own rental properties. You rent out a property to tenants, and after covering your mortgage, maintenance, and taxes, the rest is profit. Here's how exactly it works. Once you own the property, your tenant pays you rent monthly. If you manage to pay off the property, the rental income becomes a steady cash flow with minimal effort on your part. You just have to follow these 3 steps to get started. Step 1. Research the market to find locations where renting is profitable. Step 2. Save for a down payment and secure financing for your first property. Step 3. Hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations, so it truly becomes a passive source of income. Real estate generally appreciates over time, so you're building wealth in 2 ways. Through property value and rental income. But listen to me closely. Although it is a great passive income source, it still comes with some challenges. There's upfront capital needed, and while you can outsource management, things like property repairs and tenant issues can occasionally make this less passive. So be aware of it. Buy land, they're not making it anymore. These are the famous words of Mark Twain. That's the reason why real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth for centuries. Owning rental properties is like planting a money tree. With tenants paying you rent each month, you're building long-term wealth and creating a steady cash flow. And as property values rise, you're sitting on an appreciating asset. It's a win-win. Sure, it takes some effort up front, but once you get the ball rolling, real estate can truly be one of the best passive income streams. Passive income stream 3. Creating digital products. Now, onto something that's more modern, digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or software. You create it once, and it keeps selling, generating passive income over time. For example, if you create an online course or write an ebook, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Every sale brings in income without additional effort on your part. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Choose your niche. What expertise do you have that can help others? Step 2. Create the product. Whether it's an online course, ebook, or software, invest time upfront. Step 3. Market it on platforms like YouTube, social media, or even paid ads. After the initial work, this can be one of the most scalable passive income streams. You don't have to trade your time for money once the product is complete. Did you know that the author of The 4-Hour Workweek, Tim Ferriss, once created a digital course on productivity that he sold for years? all without needing to touch it again? That's the beauty of digital products. Once they're out there, they can keep generating income long after the work is done. You're turning your knowledge into a long-lasting income stream. It's like putting your ideas to work, earning you money even while you focus on other things. Additional passive income ideas. Now, if those 3 ideas got you thinking, here are a few more quick ideas. 1. Blogging with ads and affiliate marketing. You can build a blog around a topic you're passionate about and monetize it with ads via Google AdSense or affiliate marketing. Over time, as your traffic grows, your income becomes more passive. 2. Selling stock photography. If you're a photographer, selling stock images on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock is a great way to make money from your creativity. Once uploaded, each sale brings passive income. 3. Create an online course. Whether you're an expert in cooking, fitness, marketing, or anything else, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Once the course is live, it can generate passive income for months or years without additional effort. 4. Rights. If owning physical real estate isn't for you, rights allow you to invest in real estate properties without buying the buildings. You earn a share of the profits from properties owned by the trust, typically paid as dividends. Ending. Alright, so there you have it. Those are the passive income streams that can genuinely work for you if you're willing to put in the effort up front. The key takeaway here is that passive income isn't an overnight success story. It's about building systems that pay off over time. Whether it's investing, creating products, or managing properties, the sooner you start, the sooner you can begin collecting the rewards. It's not just about getting rich. It's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. Passive income gives you the choices. It gives you time to spend with loved ones, pursue your passions, or even travel the world. And in the words of Warren Buffett, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So that's it for today, guys. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below sharing which passive income idea you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.